What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video of Scoop's World, and it's your boy Scoop, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of the new Nike Joyride CCs. Stay tuned.
Whose world is this? The world is yours. The world is yours.
So here's the official box of the Nike Joyride CCs. I usually wear a 9.5, but now in the store, the 9.5, they felt a little bit too tight, so I went up and got me a size 10. So for future reference, if you guys decide to get this sneaker, you may have to go up a half a size or a whole size, I don't know. But these sneakers, they come in multiple colors. I decided to get the black, blue, neon, pinkish red color. I was in the need of a dark color shoe, so this was the best color they had at the stores. If you go online, they have multiple colors. But this shoe is real comfortable, man. There's no complaints. Will I buy them again? No. But for a first time seeing them, they caught my eye. I decided to get them. Full retail is about $150-ish. But are they worth $150? I would not say they're worth $150. I got them for around $80. This certain colorway, you can go online and get them for $50. Other colors are a little bit more expensive, so when it comes to that, that's up to you. Now, you may ask yourself, what can I wear these sneaks with? Well, I'm here to tell you, you can rock these with some shorts, some sweats, some joggers. But if I catch you in these with some jeans, it's not a good look. You should never wear these with jeans. These are an athletic sneaker. Good for running, walking. Don't play ball in these either, for real. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people be out here playing ball in Converse like it's 1972. That's dead. You know what I'm saying? This is just strictly a workout sneaker for lifting, running, jogging, or just an all-purpose sneaker when you're walking around. Whenever I buy a sneaker, the first thing I look for is style, color, the colorway, and if I can see myself in them. I can definitely see myself in them. The reason why I bought them. But you know, this is not a sneaker I'll go to the club. Man, I don't go to the club anyways, but this is not a sneaker that, you know, I go partying. This is just a sneaker, a chill Saturday when I want to go for a walk, when I want to go work out. Like I said, the colors caught my eye. I like wearing a sneaker that pops out. Nothing boring. The only boring sneakers I like to wear is the all white Air Forces, but this is not an Air Force, so I like the neon at the bottom, the blue, the pink, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, man, I think it is a good cop. I just personally wouldn't buy a second pair because, in my opinion, one is enough. But you know, for the viewers out there, you guys might like it more than me. Overall, it's a great sneaker. It fits to my feet very well. You don't have to wear socks. You can wear socks, but the way the sneaker fits in your foot, you really don't have to wear socks if it's a hot day out or whatever. But yeah, man. I will recommend these sneakers to you guys. Some may like them more than me, some may not like them as much as I do. But overall, this is a good shoe to have in your collection, especially if you like to work out, if you like to go on walks, if you like to lift or anything of that nature. So, Nike Joyride CCs. Now, the moment we all been waiting for, the new heat that's dropping this week, and this is if it's a cop or not. First up, we have the Air Jordan 12 University Golds. It's a black and gold or black and yellow colorway. I've never seen this colorway of Jordan 12s before. Usually Jordan 12s come out with some heat, but for me, this is a not. I really don't like the yellow and black colorway for a Jordan sneaker, especially the especially the Air Jordan 12s. Jordan never wore those, so I'm never gonna wear those. But if you like the colorway, you like the sneaker, they're available July 24th at 8 a.m. and the full retail price is $190. Next, we have the Grateful Dead Nike SB Dunk Lows. Now, they're releasing on July 24th. There's two different colorways that's releasing. You have the green pair and you have the yellow pair. First look, they do look nice. But for me, myself personally, I'm not with all that fuzzy stuff coming off my sneaker. So for me personally, these are also a not. You know, decent price though. They retail at $110 on StockX. Like I said, they released July 24th, so if you like them, cop them. If not, if you like me, don't. But yeah, it's a good looking sneaker. I'm just not with all the fuzzy stuff off my sneaker. That's just not me. And we also have the Air Jordan 4s off-whites, the sales. Now these sneakers, these are automatically cop. It's heat, but they say it's for women's. So I don't know how I feel about wearing a woman's sneaks, but I'll wear these. You know what I'm saying? They're available July 25th at 8 a.m. 200. I want them. The fact that they labeled as women's sneakers, I don't know. But I'll rock them sneaks for real. I like Jordan 4s. It's top 3 Jordans for me. And they nice. They're nice. And last, we have the Adidas Yeezy Boost 380s, the blue oats. Now, cop or drop, this sneaker right here might be a cop for your boy. They full retail at 2 different prices. You can get the reflective pair.
Just say it.
For $250, or you can get the non-reflective pair for $230. Decent colorway, as you can see. These look nice. You know, Yeezys, they be coming out with some crazy sneakers though. You feel me? But these, I probably will bang with these. So I'll probably cop them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.